What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Outcast 4S V2.5. What I'm doing today, I'm rocking these sweeps. I dropped the suspension down low, so what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna do a quick speed test, see how it hold it down. Didn't do any upgrades besides my lights that aren't coming on. Got the orange sweeps, because this is the only one that I had some other street tires, but I wanted to give these a shot, because I'm trying to find a place for these tires too. I really don't like them. I like how this look on this tire. The performance, I got it a lot better now. Oh yeah, it's a heck of a lot better. And my nav came flying out of there, so I'm going to have to find another place for this navigation.
Ready.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Seems stable as hell with these tires on there. We gonna see how it's gonna work. I can see it's veering to the right. Now I got it so it don't bottom out when I brake. Sort of even. Let's see what. 53. Well, what the? Okay, 53. All right, I got you. All right, it could have been 53. It could have been 53. All right. All right, 53 it is. All righty. Trying to wheelie down there. Remote still on. All right, come on now. 55 miles an hour. Yo. Ooh. All right, that's gonna be probably like 55, something like that. I don't expect too much out of it because the tires is heavy. Now it's around 54. So 55 was the top speed. So these tires make it look epic though. I kind of almost like the ride driving the tires, but sliding action ain't bad, but it's not stiff enough really. Stop that wobble. I want to see how I do off-road. Oh wow, I can handle off-road. No, don't flip over, please. They can't handle off-road like that though, but they can handle it somewhat. That ain't doing no jumping with these tires. She is smooth as hell though. I ain't gonna lie, these tires are very smooth. Am I happy with these wheels on here, how they perform? I really don't know. Cause I like to jump with this car, I ain't gonna lie. This is my back flipping, tire tripping car. Thing about these tires, they heavy, they hard, they're hard, so they don't have no flex on. Well, they got flex on, but no bounce really. See what I'm saying? That'll make me lose control. And I took that with my not bad at all. Like the look on them, but that, I mean the orange, can't really tell. I mean you can tell. Still look fat on here. Yeah, but tell me your thoughts below in the comments. Tell me what y'all think of these tires. Should I keep them on there? Kinda not feeling it like that. How it perform. It's stable. It's way more stable with these tires on there. But it lacked that speed and it lacked the the stunts I can do. It knocks that all the way out the box. It performed pretty good. I mean, it actually performed better than a lot of my cars with these tires on there. Because I adjusted the suspension where it won't bottom out. Oh! No, I mean, it's not going to bottom out. But tell me what y'all think. I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.